Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, technology is bullshit. I recorded the same video twice already, and I have a live stream tonight. I have no time for nonsense. Not to mention the amount of things I still have to get done. Oh my god, it's ridiculous. If I edit a video fully, I shouldn't be told after that the video itself was corrupted. Like the source of the video was corrupted. How does that even work? The audio's there, the video's there. It should be able to render just fine, right? Wrong, apparently. Anyway, whatever. I was going to talk about, not to mention ChatGPT and I have been working on some things for a lawsuit that I'm dealing with. And apparently there's a limit on that beyond simply how many chats you can put in. Like literally how many chats can you put in? I didn't even know you can max out a number of prompts in a single chat. Like, that's a thing. That's an actual thing. Anyway, whatever. I still got some other stuff to do for work, but I guess I'll talk briefly about this order that I got on Curry, or I would have gotten on Curry if I had the time to fucking take it. Curry reached out to me about an order on their platform. I just got onboarded onto Curry and GoShare. I haven't really gotten anything crazy for GoShare yet. And it was for $123.98. Seems solid until you realize it's 155 miles going from Oakland Park to Melbourne. And I just asked the question, can you raise the price of something better than that? I mean, it's a text message. There has to be some sort of engaging prompt, right? I could offer, and it raised the price by like $7 or something. And then every time I said no, it did the same thing. Until eventually, I just decided to throw a number out myself to see if it would actually work. 300. $295.50. If I had the time and I wasn't already stressed out about getting everything done today, I would have. Like, I have so much that I have to do, but because I am so like time starved at the moment, I need to be careful with how I spend my time. But it did make me realize that I kind of need like a system to where I could move mobily. Like I need to like set up my car or something, or I need to set up some sort of mobile video system to where I can create videos like this, but I can also be anywhere in the world. Right now, everything's kind of like stationary. Everything's like, it has to be set up this way in order for me to really make a consistent flow. But I think I can make something work if I just figure out a way to do it. I just need to figure that out. Obviously, things need to be moving in the proper direction for that, but things take time. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Again, this is a video that was supposed to be here specifically because there was the live stream that was also happening tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. This would have came out after. So if you guys aren't watching my live streams and you're not staying in the know of what's going on in the gig economy, make sure you join us Thursday nights at 9. And if you can't, that's fine. We do cut them down into more digestible clips and have them posted on the Gone Wild live clips and podcast channel. And we also put the raw, uncut live streams on Patreon, so that way you could get caught up that way as well. And if you guys want free resources and other exclusive benefits for Patreon members specifically, make sure you join our membership. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.